Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get your Android phone running faster with these easy tips. So first, you can just go to the settings of your Android phone and then scroll down until you find the About Phone option. This one, click on that and then scroll down and click on the software information, and you can see the build number. So on the build number here, just tap on it a few times until you are enabling the developer mode. And here I need to enter the pin. Okay, so now I've become a developer. You can just go back and find the developer option. So just search for it in here. This one, developer options. Now you can just scroll down until you find the this one, the animation scale. So what you need to do is adjust these three animation scale options into 0.5. So click on it, 0.5, 0.5, and then the last one. So after that, you can just go back, and your Android after that will feel a lot quicker. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.